Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to improve your defensive playstyle in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose the right loadout. Opt for weapons with good accuracy and range suitable for defensive engagements. Utilize cover. Always position yourself near cover like walls, buildings, or natural terrain to protect yourself. Stay aware of the circle. Be mindful of the gas circle's movement to avoid getting caught outside. Use tactical equipment. Carry stun grenade, smoke grenades, or flashbangs to disrupt enemy movement. Communicate with teammates. Coordinate with your squad to cover different angles and areas effectively. Avoid open areas. Minimize exposure in open fields or streets. Stick to covered paths whenever possible. Manage noise. Move quietly to move attracting unnecessary attention from enemies. Stay mobile. Don't stay in one spot for too long to avoid becoming an easy target and hit. Watch your flanks. Assign teammates to watch your sides and rear to prevent surprise attacks. Know your escape routes. Always have a plan for retreat if you come under heavy fire. Monitor UAVs. Use UAVs or heartbeat sensors to track nearby enemies and plan your defensive strategy accordingly. Use high ground. Position yourself on elevated terrain for better visibility and defensive advantage. Patient is key. Avoid unnecessary engagements and wait for the right moment to strike or retreat. Upgrade armor. Continuously upgrade your armor plates to withstand more damage. Take advantage of loadout drops. Call in loadout drops strategically to access your preferred defensive setup. Master long-range weapons. Practice with sniper rifles or marksman rifles to engage enemies from a safe distance. Learn the map. Understand key locations and choke points to anticipate enemy movements. Use vehicles wisely. Utilize vehicles for quick escaping or repositioning, but beware of drawing attention. And that's how to improve your defensive playstyle in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.